Welcome to Pressing with the Press Father. Alright guys, Andy here from Press It UK. So, I done a wee link in my Instagram to say to come across and see this video. I have marked the fitting up so it's full slip. I've initialed it as well so that I know that the original part of that was done post-press. Pre-press. So basically what we've got here is we've got a couple of customers here saying when they go to press the fitting that the jaw, I'll just show you before we press, is still sticking and can't open to let it off the fitting. So I'm just using a Nova press here at the moment, the 103 model, but this is happening across the board with all machines and all fittings. And there's basically the reasons behind this is only that there potentially can be too much copper in the fitting on the outside. It doesn't affect the press too much, so don't worry about that. Or potentially that the jaw is very, very fresh or has a build-up of copper. So we'll just press this anyway. This is never going live, guys, so we don't need any of your cheek or your talk back like you always do. And that's the press. So I'm just putting light pressure and that come off really, really nicely. But what's happening is, if you can even see just up in the top corner there, can you see the copper residue already here on that edge, okay? And that's only, it's a brand new tongue, that's it. So what happens is, every single press that you do, you'll find that this here will, the copper will come off the actual fitting and onto that. So over time you'll get a build up of a few mil, and then this is when you get the sticking even more so. But what I suggest is first of all clean it with a non-abrasive, ideally Scotch-Brite material, and then I'm using the pass load oil because we service machines here, but a light oil on the tongue, and I mean less is more here, guys. So if you can get something like a wee brush just to go in around the profile and then actually rub it off slightly with a cloth, because metal is slightly porous, and just the slightest wee bit, and you'll find this will help a lot of the problems. If you're still finding issues, guys, DM me and come back and give me a shout. But once again, this is going to be part of a series of videos called Pressing with the Press Father. So yeah, keep tuned and please like the video and please subscribe, because this will keep it more relevant to everybody. Thanks again. Cheers. Bye bye. Don't stress. Press.